Today is the day. 50 miles. We're about to get on the road here and get going. And I want to say thank you to Bobby and Matthew for videoing some of this today. I really appreciate them coming out and helping us. But we're getting ready right now to
ride
50 miles. Speed the light. I'm trying to get my stuff out here. I got to put my gloves on. And I've got a toboggan and sunglasses and a lot of clothes on. So we are looking. Let's fill this out here. Man, I'm gonna tell you what, it's going well. I don't think we're too far from our destination.
Halfway point.
Halfway point. And then we're gonna turn around and come back. One of the things that kept going through my heart on this ride is whatever, it's all worth it.
Yeah.
It is worth it for when you give to Speed the Light. It's equivalent to $1 per soul. And if you can look at it that way, it gives you a little bit of vision to understand why it's important for us to do this, and the more that we can give into the missionaries' hands. And even tomorrow, we're going to have the Skinners with us, and they are a very important part of our missions. And it's all worth it. I wouldn't trade it for anything. What are you feeling? Good?
Good.
Get a little lunch in us and get back in the second half.
Not as fresh, but still good. We're doing good.
Let's go right up here. Oh, man.
Look at that! Woo!
Woo! Woo!
That was the one. Woo!
That's probably
Yeah.
bit off probably more we should have chewed on that particular ride, but that's all right. We made it.
Well, you probably
Man of God,
did.
thank you so much.
That's okay.
Thank
man.
y'all.
Oh, my
It's okay.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow.
Long day.
Yeah.
That was a full day.
If you don't mind, I'll take it home and swap that seat out.
Tired. How you feel, Pastor Jimmy?
Your legs are killing you.
How we
doing?
you know what? I'm still breathing.
Yeah. Still breathing. And what was it for?
My legs were cramping.
Be the light. Be the light.
For every dollar we raised today, equivalent to one soul.